This video will show the Radioline wireless system in serial operation mode, replacing the need for a standard RS-232 or RS-485 serial cable. With this mode, you can wirelessly transmit serial protocols that use a master-slave polling setup, like Modbus or Profibus, transparently. The configuration of the wireless modules will be made with the free SciConf software and the USB configuration cable. This is needed to make sure the serial settings of the wireless modules match the serial settings of the devices which they are being connected. On this demo board, we will replace the serial cable for the Modbus RTU communication with a Radioline wireless point-to-point connection. As Modbus Master, we have an Axioline PLC, and as Modbus Slave, we are using inline bus coupler. The Modbus Slave is showing a running light. At the moment, the Modbus Master and the Modbus Slave are connected via an RS-485 two-wire cable. Now disconnect the cable and replace it with the pre-configured Radioline modules. The running light will stop since the communication cable was broken. The Modbus Master will be connected to the RS-485 interface of the Radioline Master. On the Radioline Master, the RX LED is blinking because serial Modbus telegrams are being received on the serial interface. At the Radioline Slave, the TX LED is blinking because the serial Modbus telegrams are being sent out of the serial interface. Now we connect the Modbus Slave to the Radioline Slave serial interface. The RX LED on the Slave is now blinking because the Slave Radioline module is receiving Modbus telegrams on the serial interface. Responses are sent out of the Radioline Master as well and can be verified by the TX LED. Now the wireless Modbus communication is running, and we have replaced the need for a physical serial cable. In the serial mode of Radioline, up to 250 wireless modules can be configured in a single network, providing users a cost-effective alternative to physical wiring. For more information regarding Radioline, please contact technical service at 800-322-3225.